My name is Bob Weirs, Chairman and CEO of Osisko Metals, a Montreal-based developer in the zinc space. Our flagship project is the Pine Point development project. It's a zinc-lead project located in Northwest Territories, past producer, brownfield site. Past production of 64 million tons at about 10% lead zinc. And right now we have about a resource of all categories included, about 50 million tons near surface of a 6.5% lead zinc. We are presently at the PEA stage. First PEA was published in 2020. Based on the $1.15 US per pound long-term zinc. That gave us a after-tax NPV of $500 million Canadian, after-tax IRR just short of 30%, with a capex also of about $500 million Canadian. So the capex to NPV ratio is about 1. This year, we've been focused on resource conversion and expansion with surface drilling total going into this winter of approximately 30,000 meters of drilling. This will lead to an updated PEA slated for the end of Q1 2022, which will be done at a long-term spot price of $1.30 per pound zinc. And also, we believe with reduced OPEX and sustaining CAPEX costs, especially in the water management category. Going forward to 2022, we'll keep drilling into next fall, and feasibility will be initiated about this time next year. A small team. Our president and COO is Jeff Hussey, with over 30 years experience, including a long career with Noranda. Eventually became Xstrata in the base metal space. Killian Charles is our VP Corporate Development. Extensive experience more on the banking side. Is still a relatively young career. And our CFO is Anthony Gladbach. So small team, low G&A, low burn rate. Yes, investors should be very bullish in the zinc space. We believe that we're headed for supply deficits in production, especially for zinc in North America. In fact, the USGS just last week announced added zinc to its critical mineral supply list based on the risk profile supply side for zinc. So we're very bullish on zinc. We believe demand is going to be stable or will increase, especially if you take into account the Biden administration's recent $1.2 trillion infrastructure bill. Keep in mind that 60% of zinc goes into rust proofing of steel, i.e. galvanization. So we believe demand will remain robust, but the supply side is going to dwindle going forward. So those are the fundamental reasons why we're bullish on zinc and why it's important to put Pine Point into production as quickly as possible. As usual, very exciting, very productive, good turnout. It's our first in-person conference in over 20 months for us, so it's nice to be back. Zooming out of my cottage was fine, but time to move on.